So just to give you some idea of what we did today, we had a coir log over here that the water was running around and creating a new problem with erosion. So we pulled it up, added some straw, a bunch of willow twigs and sprigs, and put it back in to slow down the flow of the water in this area and to keep the erosion under control. And as you can see, we also have some coyote brush that we put in, and it will keep these slopes from disintegrating further and hold up the soil so that this area doesn't erode more than it has already. Down this channel here that we worked in for most of the day, there's these little plants. They're rhizomes. They're called juncus, and they'll fill in this entire channel over time and slow the flow of water down here. So again, it prevents erosion. Plus, it'll create some habitat for other things to come into the area and make use of.